Hello, children. Today we will revise the chapter Sports and History. Sports in India refers to a large variety of games played in India, ranging from the tribal games to the mainstream sports such as cricket, badminton, and football. India's diversity of culture, people, tribe, as well as its colonial legacy is reflected in the wide variety of sporting disciplines in the country. The history of sports begins with the origin of mankind. Hunting was indeed a way of obtaining food for the ancient people, but it was also looked upon as a game and entertainment. Now, talking about sports, all the modern sports has their roots in ancient times. All the popular sports like long jump, wrestling, running, boxing, etc., were born in ancient Greece. The Greeks were the first to standardize the rules of sports and organize them systematically. The first Olympic Games were held at Olympia in the city of Athens in ancient Greece. Importance of sports. Games enables us to overcome sufferings and worries. It helps us to relax and refresh our minds. Playing games also help us in developing courage, determination, and sportsman spirit. Games needing collective participation help us to develop a sense of cooperation and team spirit. Therefore, sports enriches the social life of an individual and everyone should actively participate in sports. Sports are of two types, indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games is played within a closed environment and a number of them are played by sitting at one place. For example, chess, carom, cards, uno, etc. Outdoor games. Outdoor games can be categorized into two types, Indian sports and international sports. Indian games include Langdi, Kho-Kho, etc. Games like Lagori, Marble, Gilli Danda, Bhingri, Fugdi are quite popular. International games include badminton, table tennis, hockey, cricket, football, golf, polo. Among outdoor sports, running races are popular all over the world. Marathon is a long distance running race. Other types of running races are hurdle and relay race. There are also water sports like swimming competitions, water polo, rowing, etc. There are some acrobatic sports like Malkhamb. Malkhamb is an acrobatic sport based on physical skills. Adventurous games. Adventurous games require balance and physical skills like ice skating, skiing, ice hockey, etc. are popular adventurous games. Sports competition. Sports competition are held to determine the best athletes and teams and greatest achievements in sports. These competition provides opportunity to all the athletes, coaches, etc. by participating in various sports competition like Olympics, Asian Games known as Asiad, Paralympic. These games are for special Olympics for disabled people, as well as there are Cricket World Cup which are organized on regular basis. Hockey is our national game. Contribution of Major Dhyan Chand, also known as Wizard of Hockey, in Indian hockey is spectacular. He was one of the finest hockey player in India. Under his captaincy, India won 3 Olympic gold medals. In 1936 at Berlin Olympics, India beat Germany with 8-1, wherein he scored 4 goals at the last minute of the game. Globalization had greatly influenced the field of sports during 20th and 21st century. The international matches of various sports can be watched on television in any corner of the world. Thus, citizens of the non participant countries can also watch and enjoy these matches. Retired sportsmen also have an opportunity to participate as commentators. Game materials and toys. The means and equipments for the entertainment and education of children are called toys. Clay toys have been found in archaeological excavation like Hadappa and Mohenjo-daro. Dolls are also mentioned in ancient Indian literature. Toys and history. Toys can throw light on history and technological development. As a part of traditional Diwali celebrations in Maharashtra, model forts were made. Clay images of Shivaji Maharaj and his soldiers are placed on these models. An ivory doll made by Indian craftsmen was found in an excavation of Pompeii, an ancient archaeological site in Italy. This city was destroyed when Mount Vesuvius, an active volcano in Italy, erupted and buried the whole city. This ivory doll statue is a reminder of commercial trade of goods and resources between India and Italy. This statue is popularly known as Pompeii Lakshmi. Sports, literature, and movies on sports. Publishing of books and encyclopedias of sports is a newly developing enterprise. There are books like Encyclopedia of Sports and Athletics, The Champion's Mind, etc. etc. There are some television channels also exclusively devoted to sports like Star Sports, Sony Sports, etc. Recently, some movies on sports and biography of players have been released in various languages like MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Chak De India, Mary Kom, Dangal, Gold. Even there is a movie on the life of Sachin Tendulkar. Sports and professional opportunities. Student of history can find many opportunities in the field of sports journalism. Expert commentators are in demand during sports matches. Professionals are required to keep a track and record of matches telecast from various channels. Referees are an essential factor of sports matches. So, children, you can see that there are various professional opportunities available in the field of sports. So, here I end with the lesson. I hope you understood the chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.